everyone, it's Marianne. Welcome to my Racist Life. So today I'm going to do another plant unboxing, and again from Houseplant Shop. I swear I'm not sponsored by them, but Houseplant Shop, hit me up. But yeah, so this is not exactly a wish list plant, but they had a really good price on it, so I was kind of like, why not? And then the coupon code that I shared with you guys in my previous Houseplant Shop unboxing still worked, so I used that to essentially get free shipping for this plant. I wanted to get just one, but then the 10% off code worked. If I got two, the $5 off code worked, and it's just the math works better. Essentially, I get two plants for the same price. So with the discount code. So if you want to hit Houseplant Shop up and see if they have the plants that you want, I think the code is still available, and I believe this plant is still available. I ordered two of the same plant because they're just in 4-inch pots, and I wasn't sure how big it's going to be, and I don't know how it's coming off in camera, but it's actually a pretty small box, smaller than the previous box that I opened. But of course that one was a 6-inch pot, or even 8-inch pot, I think, and these are just 4-inch plants, and I've ordered 4-inch plants from them before, and it's pretty substantial, so I'm kind of wondering if this is going to be a substantial plant as well, or if this plant is going to be like very juvenile. So here's my order slip, the same booklet that I shared with you all last time that I did a Houseplant Shop unboxing. And so here they are. I already kind of see a bit of a damage on the plant, but let me take them out. It's both the same, so let me just move that box away, and let's open one up first and just see. But ready? 1, 2, 3. So it's a rhaphidophora. It's a rhaphidophora tetrasperma. They had this as a mini monstera on their website, but it is a baby rhaphidophora tetrasperma. So this is the first one, and let me open up this second one, and I'm gonna get back to you. Okay, so here's the second one unboxed. It's a little bit smaller than the first one, but it still looks pretty good, and I'm surprised that everything is fenestrated. I was kind of expecting that a lot of them would be, I was expecting this to be a juvenile rhaphidophora tetrasperma, meaning none would have split yet as far as the leaves go, but these are all split, and this is the first one. And what I've noticed too, and I don't know if Houseplant Shop or anyone from their team did watch my previous video, but look, the thing that covers the pot in the soil now, it used to be plastic, but now they also changed it up to paper. So good job, Houseplant Shop. So they're moving to be more sustainable, and I really appreciate that. And there you go. I mean, I'm pretty sure they got the same feedback from their other customers, or they're also just responding to consumer demand for companies to be more sustainable, especially like plant shops, because come on. But yeah, so here it is, both of them. And this was $6.99 each, so combined it was I can't do math, so it was like $14, and shipping was $4.99 ground shipping. And I didn't buy insurance this time, but with the coupon code of $5 off, I paid about $15 something for this, so pretty much the same price. Well, no, not the same price as my Syndaptus pictus exotica, but it was about 15 something, which is the same price as what I would which is the same price of what I would purchase in a garden center, but obviously this one is a lot smaller. And I did see this at Lowe's previously, I think the Costa Farms Live Tropics collection, and they had it in a white ceramic pot, and I think you're pretty much just paying for the white ceramic pot, and it didn't even look as good as this one, even just like one of them, and they were like charging almost $30 for that. I'm like, come on, Costa Farms, what are you doing? But yeah, so this is what I am going to combine this together into one plant, but I'm probably not going to do that today because it's running a bit late. I just wanted to open it up and get it out of the box because the sun is about to go down and I have to walk my dog, who is patiently waiting for me over there. But yeah, so this is the, yeah, if you want to go to houseplantshop.com, I think they still have it. The last time I checked, the price went up a little bit, and they do have a current high demand right now because this one actually not arrived a little bit late, but I did get an email from them that it will take 10 to 12 business days for this to arrive. It was supposed to arrive on Monday. It didn't arrive until today, Wednesday. So yeah, so this is another successful order from houseplantshop.com, this time with the rhaphidophora tetrasperma, and they have it labeled as Monstera minima on their website. If I don't include this unboxing in any of my videos, I just want to say thanks for watching, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I hope you subscribe. I come up with houseplants, sustainable lifestyle videos every week. And I forgot, what am I supposed to say next? Oh, if you haven't yet, go check out these videos up here until my next one. But until then, I see you. I appreciate you. Take care of yourself and each other, and have a plentiful day. Bye.